What's up, you guys? I got my Dr. Pepper hoodie on. Yeah, boy. There is a video that first of all, I literally could have added those two together, but it's whatever, man. It's whatever. So, you good, bro? There's a video that I'm going to be reacting to again. Not the same video, but there's several videos with my little brother in it, but one that sticks out most is one I did at least 10 months ago from when this video is coming out. So, for the beginning of this year, I lived with my mom. Well, beginning of this year and a little bit the year before, I lived with my mom. So, I live with my grandpa now, but, yeah. But, yeah. I live with my grandpa now, but before then I lived with my mom. So with this video, I caught something opening the refrigerator. So, me and my mom were cooking something. I don't remember what it was, or she was cooking something and I was talking to her in the what is it? The kitchen. And all of a sudden, you know, there's ghosts in the house and all that. I knew that, and it didn't really bother me. But for some reason, I'd be talking to my mom, and, you know, that the refrigerator kept opening. So I got my iPad. That was in 2019, because that was before Christmas. No, that was in 2020, because that was after Christmas. Because I got my iPad at Christmas. So, yeah. Well, I caught something on the refrigerator. Well, before, I caught some things on opening the refrigerator. Or before, you know, I'd be in the kitchen with my mom, and all of a sudden the refrigerator was open. Well, I wanted to see actual evidence that it's a ghost, and I wanted to see what it was. So, which was funny, because if you look at the video, I set my camera of the iPad, which this iPad is a big iPad. Like, it's not something that's small. Like, it's noticeable. So, I had my iPad set up on video recording, and then I videoed that, and that's what I'm getting ready to watch. So I caught something open in the refrigerator. Which was funny, because my little brother was the last person I expected to open the refrigerator. But he did that because he's a nut. Also, that was at the beginning of the year because that was before COVID. And that was when I got my hair cut. The first time short. I want to see if I can. It's blurry, but I'm going to try to show y'all what I'm talking about. That's my little brother. He opens the refrigerator and he walks away.
Yes, he has.
And it takes me a while to realize that, hey, it's open.
Wait, that did catch that, right?
So, yeah.
Yeah, it caught it.
So, yeah. That's that. But that's what I'm saying, as in, like, that was one of the good times I've had at my mom's. And, you know, my little brother, he did stuff like that. Ever since he's heard about Mama and Papa's spirits being in the house, he'll do anything in his power to scare the living daylights out of you while you're trying to do something. And that was one of his schemes. But that's my brother for you. I mean, if y'all like the videos he's in, there are plenty more. One of my favorites is, and one of Cole's favorites is I'm calling the Dr. Pepper Company. Sean walks behind me and he's like, well, I figured out where my phone went, because I used his phone to call. But yeah, that's that. And this is what day is this? The 27th, I believe. Yeah. At 1:23 a.m., 29 degrees. Oh, Lord. And it is December 27th. I got my Dr. Pepper hoodie on. And, yeah. But, yeah. He's a nut. He is. He's a nut. Like, you think I'm funny? Meet my little brother. Me and Austin were on the phone one day, and I forgot what it was, but my little brother comes in and he just starts roasting Austin. And oh my Lord, Austin was like, damn, he just roasted me. I was like, yeah, he did. But it was fun. I enjoyed it. But, yeah, well, that's it for this video. I literally had nothing planned today, or I would have waited till later on the video. But I will see y'all again tomorrow for I don't know. Maybe another reaction video. I don't know. Because I'm actually enjoying... I'm enjoying these reacting videos. So, yeah. Well, I'll see y'all tomorrow for day 28. Bye, guys.